What's up, guys? Welcome back to Daily Driven Exotics. Where's Dave? Dave, get in the car.
You guys look good today. Thanks for watching.
We got to prove a sample of the new wrap. Graphic Effects here in Victoria, British Columbia are doing the new wrap. The design was done again by Protective Film Solutions, so huge shout out to my boy Ryan. We have a great relationship. Unfortunately, I live 1,300 kilometers away from his shop, so my car gets beat up, and last year it was a bit of a challenge getting my car always back to California to rewrap a hood or redo a mirror, which we did. This year, he was like, let your boy have a little bit of the fame. Let Graphic Effects, Jay and the team, redo the wrap. They redid the design and put it into a printable format. So I'm pumped. I can't wait to get the new design. So we're gonna jump in the Huracan and head down to check out the new sample. On the way down, we're really excited to share some new things with DD Elite. Woo! It is online. We have a whole bunch of people already signed up. We're gonna tell you guys how to sign up. We did a beta testing kind of scenario. We had a few bugs to work out, but it is good to go. And with the Elite program, you get a whole bunch of discounts to some real high level automotive aftermarket tuners and products and stuff like that. So without any further ado, let's jump in the Huracan.
You know what's crazy? There's so much more room in this car than the Spider.
There really is.
It's like, feel great. And there's no suitcase.
More headroom.
Yeah.
And this shelf.
Oh yeah.
Which people don't notice, but there's like a little shelf where you can put stuff like, if I want, I can actually tuck that jacket behind Dave's seat.
Well,
Spider, no go.
In the Spider, I was like this. Wait for it. It was like this.
Oh, you moved the seat up.
Yeah.
To show,
Oh yeah. It was literally like that much room you lost in the Spider.
Here.
It's cold.
Yeah, bad breath.
It's coffee breath, guys.
Oh, DD Elite sites up.
So let's talk about that for a second.
How to register? What the two options are?
So, brand new website. Friday we kind of put it up.
What's the website domain?
So it's dailydrivenexotics.com. It's live right now. And basically, first step you get there, top left corner, click register, get a free account.
Absolutely free.
Absolutely free. And with that, you can see our YouTube videos and whatnot. Now, the next step is the Elite membership, which gives you a ton of stuff. First and foremost, you get to see all the videos 24 hours before anybody else.
With no ads. So if those pesky ads in the YouTube video, for whatever reason bothered you, for a very low fee of $2.49 for the entire month, you will now have full access to all of our videos with no ads. You also have exclusive access to the videos we don't show anybody. So we make personal videos for Elite members that no one will ever see on YouTube.
For example, yesterday we posted a picture of the new Brixton wheels.
Yeah, like
only for Elite members.
Yeah, actually assembled and everything.
Yep.
And today we got a short video of the wheels done in their color.
Yeah.
Which is going to Elite too.
You also connect with each other, so you can actually yourself post videos and pictures.
It's a real community. It's a place where we all cohesively can contribute, and we actually get you guys to contribute photos and videos as well. So we like to see what you guys drive. It's not all about the Huracan or the Scuderia, but you'll actually be able to post stuff about you that we'll get to see and comment on and like and share. Now there's a point system around the entire site, as well as within the videos now. If you guys haven't noticed, we have a little bit of an update since we launched DD Elite, which includes achievement unlock code words.
Now's a good time to insert that right here. So to take that DD Elite, go to the website. There's a little black box that say DD Elite points. Click on it, enter the code, hit redeem, and you get points. Now, what's the point of getting points?
Well, one, you get to be a baller because there's a status and a leaderboard, and you can redeem some of the points once you've accumulated enough and participated and contributed to get free hats, free merch, and other things.
Yeah, so basically every week we're gonna pick the top 10 people with the most points. Number 1, obviously, through 10.
Yep.
Number 1's gonna get a wicked prize.
Yep. Now the next thing about Elite, we have exclusive discounts, deep discounts to all of our partnerships. So for example, if you want a set of wheels, we have a discount for Brixton. If you want to go and rent a supercar, Royalty Exotics in Las Vegas has hooked you guys up in a big way, by the way, with a discount they've never given anybody before. And so all that stuff's exclusive to you. So for what is essentially half a cup of coffee for the price of the entire month, you get discounts that will literally, if you were to go and like buy some wheels, take out a supercar, discount on our merch, literally for your $2.50, you're gonna save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars if you were to buy all of that stuff.
And our discount on merch is a really good discount. Let's announce it.
Okay,
It's a big one.
it's 20% off.
Huge. So if you think about it, right now you've got t-shirts in the store for $30 shipped in the US. You get $6 off.
Buy one shirt and it covers basically 3 months of your DD Elite membership. So that's kind of where we're at, guys. We'll have more announcements around the Elite website, but for the most part, that's what it comes down to. It's a social community for all the DDE fans and for all of us to cohesively, like I say, DDE family, to all get together and contribute. And we're just interested in seeing more about what you guys are up to also. So we're pumped.
Yeah, you know what awesome, guys, is reading the comments. We're in the replying every day, looking at the posts. It's awesome.
Yeah, it's awesome.
It's
you
just
guys
the
are
start.
amazing, and it's just the start. I'm so stoked. This is like the final approval of the color gray that is going to be the base of the new wrap.
Yeah.
So this is the gray,
This is the gray, man.
and then this is, just so you guys to reiterate, there's the layout. So it's like one door, the other side, hood, roof and panels. And then they had this whole swatch of different grays just to check, but I requested we please print out a larger sample of the gray. The real test. Sunlight. Hold on. What would you call that? What do they call that when there's like lighting in a studio? It's like shaded. I can't think of the name.
Lost me.
Yeah. Well, you know, like when you do photography, instead of having the direct bulb,
Yeah.
they put like
Like a full spectrum light?
Yeah, like, you know, like when they put like a... Forget it. What do you think of that, Dave?
Oh, yeah, I like it.
And Dave and I just finished wrapping the first panel.
Yeah,
What do you think?
looks good.
Looks great. I love it. Yeah, I like it. Goes good. It's gonna look good with blue. Nice job.
Giddy up.
Tonight, part of it, and the rest tomorrow morning.
Oh yeah.
We'll start tonight. Sorry, honey, I'll be home late.
We haven't told you guys, but we're taking the old wrap off. Stay tuned. Happening in this video.
I'm ready. You ready?
Melt your face off.
I wish. Do the world a favor.
Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. We'll see you soon.
You bet.
Tomorrow afternoon.
See you tomorrow.
Hopefully this works out well.
Dave will be a professional stripper by tomorrow.
Oh, you have no
go!
idea. First thing you need to know about taking a wrap off is what you're doing. Unfortunately, we don't have that luxury. So let's just dive in.
We don't know what we're doing, do we?
No.
We really do not know what we're doing. So we have the Lambo in a sterile environment, which I'm
sterile in here.
completely lying about. We're gonna start with the smallest area. So if we screw something up and I wanna call it on this and be like, I don't wanna do it, that's the first thing we're unwrapping. This.
All right.
Jay at Graphic Effects was kind enough to lend us a heat gun. Hold this.
Hold this in there.
No, no. No, my God.
You actually, that's a real reaction.
Oh. Oh yeah, that gets hot.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah.
So. So nervous with a heat gun near the gas tank. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
There we go. The very first piece of the wrap comes off. I'm just trying to get my finger on it. Yeah. Oh, this is easy, bro. Oh,
It's just once you get it going.
dude.
That's a cool piece right there. Who wants that, you guys?
That actually came off. That actually came off really easy. If you forget, my car's red, except for the front bumper, the fenders, and the last little bit of the rear bumper because it never got painted. We knew we were gonna wrap it. Essentially, I had them prep it specifically for a wrap. So it's like a sanded primer. That makes sense, primer. Next piece.
What are you thinking? Oh, the money shot, the DDE
door?
in the door.
All right.
Do that in one piece.
Okay. Almost done. Look at my hands. They're red because they're sore from pulling vinyl wrap off. But check this out, you guys. Boom.
What's up, guys?
You just spit wrap. We have a few little tiny pieces to take off of there, but other than that, back to red. Got the primered rear bumper. I left the subscribe button on. I thought that was kind of a nice touch. If I was gonna drive around, I want people to know to subscribe, even though they don't know what to subscribe to. How are your hands?
That's a blister right there for me.
Crazy to see the car like this.
Hey, it looks better. I think the car actually looks more expensive. Like, it looks like it's more valuable when it's painted like just red.
Oh, of course.
It's more obvious what it is.
Yeah, I mean, it looked like a toy before. That was the idea, though. I have not seen the Huracan like this since literally a couple weeks after I got it, or the first 2 weeks I had it, because it went right down to Ryan at Protective Film and got the first wrap put on it. So this is going to be wrap number 3 on this car, because the first one resembled the 458. The second one was this wrap, and then the third one will be the redo.
It's crazy how much a wrap does protect your paint. After looking at it, it's like,
yeah, look at it.
Beautiful. Obviously there's some glue from the wrap, but there's no scratches, there's no...
Yeah, look at that.
Looks like a...
Look how glossy and, yeah, look how clean everything is. This is a part that would take a beating too, the mirror.
Oh yeah.
And look at the mirror.
Yeah, it looks good.
But look at the hood. Like the hood of all things that would take a real beating.
Yeah, there's not a single chip in it.
Nada. So you can see how they primer off and sand it all smooth for the paint. But carbon. And then back here we have, again, the primered rear bumper. So we'll finish taking this off. All right, guys. That's a wrap. Are we done?
Oh, my thumbs are done. Done. Ah! My thumbs are done. Like, if you guys can see this.
Dave's thumbs are dumb.
Look at that. It's literally a blister. Now, don't make fun of me, okay? I don't do this for a living, but...
Actually, this was the very first time either of us have taken a wrap off a car. And when I text Jay from Graphic Effects, he was like, wow, because we did this in 2 hours?
Yeah, if that.
And he said, normally it takes, 4.
Tiring?
Smash the subscribe button, you guys. Give us a thumbs up on this video. Can't wait to reveal the new wrap. By the way, the wheels, we saw them today, completely finished.
Oh, yeah.
Nuts. And they will be here. They're shipping out tomorrow to our office. So this will actually be in the process of being wrapped at the shop when the wheels show up. So we'll reveal the wheels. We'll go get tires put on them. Before you know it, this car is going to be done and revealed to you guys. We'll be driving it around and putting you guys in this thing. Thanks for watching. Go to Shop DDE, pick up some merch. We got some new tees on there. We got some more stuff coming out this week, right? We have new designs.
Oh yeah.
Okay, guys. Peace. What do you think of the new color?
I think the new color is like Boston Prime.
Dope.
It makes me want to be a better person.
That'll never happen.